This is our IP67 red LED light strip. The strip is encased in a flat silicon tube and is still flexible enough to go around corners. It is 5 metres long and 12 millimetres wide. It has 300 LEDs, and that's 60 LEDs per metre. The power requirement is 12 volt DC, and the current draw is 2.25 amps. We have power supplies available in our eBay store. The strip is easy to cut and join by following the marks on the LED strip. Be sure to reseal the strip with silicone available at any Bunnings store or hardware store. This strip comes also with a RF remote control. With the remote control you can dim or you can strobe, and you can slow down the strobe faster or slower. Thanks for watching our video, and if you have any questions, please call me on 0451 175 440.